Welcome. Stretch your chicken skin so we can begin. Today we're painting the railing. Painting it white. It's gray currently and we're painting it white today. And you want to dip your roller in, not so it's sopping, but just enough. And we'll do one side of these as we go. And then we'll flip the camera around for the other side. And you want to roll it a couple times, at least 3-4 times. Make sure you get good coverage. You want to make sure get the front post like this. Get these guys. I don't think these are posts. These are spindles, I think they call them. I'm not positive on that. It's a little breezy today, so everything will dry up fast. And then to get in these little cracks and crevices, I turn it on the side and kind of get it in there, and then roll up the excess. It's looking good. It's covering good. It's going to need a second coat. Sure. Get a light coat on this first coat. Yeah, we'll have to come back in with the paintbrush to get these corners here so it doesn't get them too good, and up at the top here also. We will get them all eventually. And like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, help anybody out. Painting's pretty easy, I would say. Just don't over dip the roller. And clean up any drips and excess as you go, and check your work as you go. And I spread out the paint between two posts. I put a little bit too much on the roller. Stretch it out a little bit between the two posts. Two spindles, actually, I think they're called. Just a little bit better. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Alright, switch sides. Back over here. Get the opposite sides. get these other sides while I'm here. Couldn't really see it in the video. I only got one camera. For now. Maybe I'll upgrade, get 2 cameras. Gotta learn how to video edit. Gotta watch a YouTube video. You want to get the tops in here too. The last people didn't paint them. We will. You were right the first time. Looking good. The job's looking good. Let's get these bottoms here. This is what I'm currently working on. Get these bottoms here. I like to flip the roller over and get the edge next to the spindle. Last one for the bottom. All right. And it's pretty easy painting these, just it's time consuming, tedious work. Make sure you clean up any excess you got. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Got any questions, painting or anything else, or a video you'd like me to make, leave it in the comments. Have a great one.